What's up, guys? It's Sharice here. I'm one half of the tech couple, and today I will be talking about the OTAO X Lambo Anti-Crack Series 9H glass screen protector. Say that 5 times fast. Now, within the last maybe 2 weeks, Corey and I were recording another video, and I put on a different screen protector, and it's already broken. Now, for the life of me, I legit cannot tell you how it happened. I'm not a phone dropper. I didn't do anything. It just cracked. So I obviously need to replace it. And what better time than now to go ahead and replace it and record a video about doing it. Now you're probably wondering, why do I even care about what tempered glass you're putting on? Well, one cool thing about it is that this one comes with a guide. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but essentially you place them on your phone when you're applying your screen protector, and they're supposed to help you put it on. I'm not gonna prolong it. Let's go ahead and slap the screen protector on the phone. Okay, so I have been super paranoid about scratching or cracking my screen in between taking off the broken one and putting on the new one, so I just still need to do that real quick. All right, let's dig into this. Screen protector accessories ×2. The screen protector itself. And this actually comes with a really nifty kit to help you align it perfectly. I don't know about you, but I have screwed up putting on a tempered glass many times, putting it on the wrong angle or covering up holes. So yeah. Hopefully this helps. Okay, installation instructions. Let me dig into the accessories bag. This is like the most nerve-wracking process. Now, I need to place the installation tray over the mobile phone. Notice the up and down sides, okay? All right, so this is the up side and this is the down side, got it, okay. Oh, there are 2 of these, so I don't need this one. Off back film 1. This is the one, okay. Back film 1 off. Place the screen protector in the tray. Oh wait, crap. I'm already living my life wrong. Put this on first. Okay, place that on. Place the screen protector in tray guidelines to line it up correctly. Oh, that was super easy. Press the middle of the screen protector and the protector will adhesive automatically. Am I the only one who finds this really fascinating? Oh, so close, so close. It almost did the whole thing by itself. That was pretty cool. Okay, what if I press the middle of that? Okay, so that's going. And if I press the middle of here, almost. Awesome. Oh, that looks like that went on perfectly. Okay, take off the tray and check out your brand new screen protector. Oh, this is like perfect, except for this one little corner. I think if you've ever done a tempered glass before, you know you just touch it a little bit and that goes away. I'm sure that'll go away within the next hour or so. That was super smooth. All right, guys, like, I don't think you understand how excited I am about getting this done on the first try. I don't normally even use tempered glass because I can't get it on in one try, or the second, or the third, or fourth, or fifth. Even you don't want to see the wasteland of tempered glass that never made it on my phone, not because it broke, but because I suck. And this little doohickey seems to have made that super duper easy for me. I got it on in one shot, didn't have to do much of anything else, just pressed it and boop, it was done. Now, one thing I did notice when applying it is that this one is actually a bit thinner than the last screen protector that I was using, but considering this one broke in less than 2 weeks, I can't necessarily say that thicker is better. So yeah, this is actually, so far it looks good. Now, one thing that I did notice as well is that it comes up and covers the entire notch on the iPhone for the most part, except for the speaker, which is actually really good. And if you notice also, that corner already fixed itself. It's perfect. It's a perfect application in one try. Now, because it does cover up everything except for the speaker, I was concerned that maybe Face ID wouldn't work or that selfies wouldn't look so good. You know, I'm a girl, selfies, they matter. But everything still works just like normal. Unlocked my phone immediately, selfies still look great. I really can't say anything negative about this at all, but granted, I did just put it on. So if you're watching this and it's just uploaded, then this is my first impression. If you are time traveling and are coming from some point in the future and watching this video back and you haven't seen anything else about me bashing it or cracking it, then you're probably good to go. Well, that's it, guys. Drop some comments down below if you've used this brand or any other tempered glass that you think maybe I'd have a good experience with. As always, give us a big fat thumbs up if you liked it or even if you didn't like it. You know, I like positivity. Good vibes in 2018. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you're not already, what you doing? Click the subscribe, click the bell so you get notified when we have more videos, especially if I don't like this one. You want to know about it. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.